Hi, good morning. I can't quite remember if I put a video of the Cromartie hobbytech 40 with a Stafford controller. So I thought I should probably do it once more, even if I had done one once again. Anyway, so this is the kiln that has been through our electrical and mechanical engineer. He's a kiln specialist. So this is the one that has not been used. So this one will also need to be seasoned because its elements are all brand new, as the engineer confirmed. As you can see, the vent holes. This is bit of dust, from the storage. If this has been used, there will be brown spots or stains around the vent hole, and then paint. Oh, it's getting hot. Paint will be peeling all the way here. So there is nothing like that in this kiln. Here is the closest I can get. Excuse me. I just plugged it in and thought I should show. So what I did was, there is when it has been fully reconditioned, and this is the plug, hearting plug. Here is the overall condition of the kiln. These are the stuff that comes with it. As you can see, this is its original bung. You can clearly see this has never been used. And same here, the top and side vents. There is a little corner that has come off, probably from the moving and things. There we are. This is what you get. As I wanted to show you, there are few little dings. There is one here. Can you see? There is one here. That's not a dent. Little tiny minor dents. There is another one here. There is another one here. This is from moving it. Not from using it at all. There's a little mark here. A bit of a stain, I think. There, where my finger is. I don't know if you can see it. There. So that's all. Hmm? So there is this one here, and this need to be left on. This is called energy regulator, I think, which is cut off, but I can't quite be sure. So it need to be left on pull. Don't touch that one. This one is completely controlled with this controller here. Let me take it. Here is the control. This is a brand new Stafford 315B. There's a mounting bracket here that you can mount it on a wall. I don't really want to put it on the top of the kiln when it is hot. Absolutely refrain from putting it on top of the kiln lid when it is hot. Even when it is not hot, you need to mount it on a wall. So to use this controller, you need to first of all press step button. I just set up this temperature just now. So I am going quite fast, 150 degrees per hour, till it goes to 600 degrees. As you can see, I am pressing just this button, yeah? And there will be no soak. This means soak. This button will be illuminated, okay? And then step button again, and it will say 200 degrees. That is the second ramp or second segment, as they call it. 200 degrees per hour till 1000 degrees. Which is the maximum temperature I just set. You can change it by going up or by going down. So if you want it 1280 degrees, you just keep hold of this upper arrow. If you don't want that, just keep hold of this lower arrow until it goes down to the temperature you need it. Okay, and that's it. Press this button again. You will be seeing the current temperature of the kiln. Yeah, and then to start or stop, press this button. As you will be hearing the noise. Yeah, this little button here comes on and off. That's the contactor giving a bit of energy at a time and switching it off. Okay. And when the kiln finishes, as you can see, the temperature is increasing. When the kiln finishes, you can actually see how many kilowatts there we are. You can see here kWh, how many kilowatts has been used. So press this button at the end of the firing, you will see how much power has been used by this kiln. It's fantastic. This controller is the best controller ever. I got one myself as well. And you can do all sorts of firing, like controlled cooling, controlled heating, glass fusing, crystalline glazes, and enameling, all sorts of things with this controller. It's so versatile, you know. It has 9 programs, 9 segments, and cooling rates, ramping rates, all sorts. The instruction manual is all here. There. You can read it through before you start, please. And there is a configuration manual as well, which you don't really need. It's already been configured. So that's about it, really. I could open it and have a look. In fact, let's show you a bit. So this is the latch. As soon as I open it, you will hear that the electric cuts off. Here it is inside. It's in pristine condition, as you can see. It's never been used. There is the element. So I'm going to shut it because it's not very good for the kiln. So there is this one vent hole and there is this other vent hole. You will be only plugging those white things I showed you. These ones. You will need to put them in through the hole, both holes like this, only when it reaches 600 degrees. Please do not do it before, because otherwise you are confining all the fumes to the kiln. That means these whole things, within a year or so, these will rot and the kiln will fall apart if you do so. So it's a lot of harmful fumes that will be coming out of these holes. So please let it out. Yeah, and use your kiln responsibly. Plug it into a 13 amps main socket. Do not plug it into an extension lead. Those are the main things that I should cover. Yeah. So if you don't have electricity supply, you might want to get it checked by an electrician. Electrician could put a plug for you. 13 amps solid plug. It must have 13 amps of supply, otherwise it will not work. And which is not my fault or the kiln's fault. Kiln is fully working and it's been all thoroughly reconditioned by our engineer. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't forget to let me know. And as you can see, the kiln is reaching 45 degrees. It's only going so many degrees per hour because it is set up to go 150 degrees per hour. As you can see, it's humming like a bee. That's a contactor. Okay, and it has wheels fitted, as you can see there, and it's easy to move. It's an ideal size for a home potter, hobby potter, little starter. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. Take care now. Bye bye.